How to save a video from Discord on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Discord application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Discord homepage. Once you're here, open Messages to view all your messages on Discord. From here, open any chat as shown. As you can see, a video has been shared in this chat. Tap on the video to play it. If you want to save this video, then go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. And then, tap on Save. You have now successfully saved this video to your phone. Now, go back and open up Photos. You will find the saved video over here. Following these steps, you can easily save a video from Discord on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.